Good day everyone, welcome to the Bank Secrets Forex course version 2. Now in this aspect, I'm going to start with navigating trading view. Now this is for those that they don't understand the aspect of navigating trading view. Maybe when they bought the course now, you're seeing videos about Binance, about CoinGecko and so that one. So this video now is for navigating trading view. When you open your trading view for the first time, you notice some different currency pairs and crypto pairs. You see one of BTC USD. You see BTC USDT. You see another one of Apple, APPL. You also see another one of US oil. And you see so many more. You see GBP USD. So these are some of the things you will find when you open your trading view. Let's switch screen. Now if you want to add to your watch list, like what I was doing, you click on the search button and you add it. Let's say you want to add a crypto pair, and let's say it's Sol, you want to add Solana. You type Sol USDT to bring it out and click on Binance. Any crypto pair you search for, make sure you click on Binance if it is near USDT. Make sure you click on Binance. That is the broker for it. Then for currency pairs, let's say you want to search on USD make sure you click on Rwanda. Then you can click on FXCM too, because when you check on the right, you see FXCM, you see Rwanda, Forex.com, Pepperstone, ICE, 8cap, Capital.com, and so on. You see a lot of them, but the one Frank Egon uses in the Bank Secret Forex course is Rwanda. So I just use Rwanda, and if I'm to advise someone to use it, it's Rwanda I'll say. Then let's say you want to search on Euro USD. You click on Rwanda too. Any pair you search on, let's say it is gold, XAU USD. You click on Rwanda too. So you can add a lot, you can add more and more. Right text for the charts, right text for ideas. Here you have news, they are not really compulsory. Then if you want to change the mode, that is dark theme or not, you just click on this dark theme here and to change it to light mode. And when you when you open on trading view, make sure you log in. You always need to log in. So let's start with a pair. Let's just pick AUD USD. Let's go back to the landscape view. Now if you check the bottom of your screen, you see AUD USD. When you click on it, it is to change the pair. You can change it to, you can search on another pair, you change it. And if you are analyzing multiple pairs, you can just switch it. You just roll it up and to switch, or roll it down, whichever one you want to do. Then we have the time. Now this one here is for the time frame. This is from the 4 hours time frame. You can switch to the 3 hours time frame. You can switch to the 45 minutes time frame. You can switch to the 5 minutes time frame or 3 minutes time frame, whichever time frame you want to use. Or you can just tap on it. When you tap on it, you show different ones. Now we have the minute time frame, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and we have the hours time frame, 1 hour to 4 hours. We have the day time frame, day, weekly, monthly, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. We also have the second time frame, but this second time frame is used for those using premium trading view. If you tap on it, it won't load. It will show that you need to subscribe to the premium plan. So now when you open your trading view, you notice that there are bar charts that are below, which is more like the volume one. It's an indicator called volume. I will open it now. This is what you'll be seeing when you open your chart. You notice that there's a volume indicator there, and if you want to remove it, you just click on volume. Okay, I'll use this arrow button to show you. In the top left corner of your trading view, you notice a part where they wrote VOL. So you click on it. It's in the top left corner here. So you click on it. Then there's one for I. The I is just to hide it, whether you want to hide it. There's another one for settings. But me, I advise you to press X because we are not using the volume indicator in the bank secret Forex course. We don't use it. So just press X to remove it so you can have a clear chart, and as it's clear, you won't be able to focus well on the chart because I see the volume indicator as noise. So let's say you have a break of structure. You want to analyze the market now. Now let's talk about the pencil. This pencil sign, you see a lot of tools here. The ones we use in the bank secret Forex course is trend line, arrow. Let me show it on the chart. We have the rectangle tool. It is used to mark out a zone like this. We have the arrow key. It's just used to show that you want to sell from here. Like now, from this view, I know that there's a break of structure. If I want to mark break of structure, I'll use the trend line. This is the trend line key, the tool for trend line. I'll tap on it and I use it to mark this out. I use to mark out this break of structure. Then I'll use the rectangle tool to mark out this zone, and the arrow key, the arrow tool, is to draw this down to signal that okay, that I want to sell from here. And if I don't want to use the arrow tool, I can use my short position, which is this. Short position is where to show you your entry, sell, and stop loss, and take profit. Sorry. So you enter from here. The demarcation between the red line and this gray line here is the entry. Then the stop loss is here. Take profit is here. If you don't understand this, there's another video where I explained more about this long position and short position. So if you don't understand it now, don't worry. Just continue watching the videos and you see more of that. We also have the long position. Okay, let me give an instance for an uptrend. Let me change the time frame. Okay, I'll just change the pair. Let's say I want to analyze AUD JPY. I'll click on Oanda. So from this view, I notice that there's a break of structure. This is a break of structure. And I mark out my zone. The last sell candle before buy candle left a break of structure. So this is it right here, and I can just use my long position to show that I want to take a buy from here. I'll take a buy from here, or I'll just use my arrow key, my arrow tool, sorry, that I want to buy from here. Then we have the Gann box. This Gann box is just used to show that okay, it seems more like marking out a zone. You can use it to mark out a zone. I can use it to refine your zone. You see a lot about refinement in another video. And it's also used to show the 50% of a zone, like more like a conference, to show that you want to take a buy from below the 50%. I'll talk more about that. Then we have the text. It's just used to type. Let's say you want to type supply zone. No, let's type demand zone. You can just put it here. let's move this. You want to change the font size, so that is it. You can mark it as your demand zone. So if you want to measure your zone, let's say you've already drawn out your zone here and you want to measure it, you click on the person and you see this measure tool that is up here. Measure tool, that's what you use to measure the zone. This zone is giving 39 pips, this 40 pips. So when you want to measure, you see there are two values here. The last value by the right is for pips. That's where you know the amount of pips, 40 pips. Then we have the eraser key, the eraser button. So the tool, it's just to delete indications. Let's say this break of structure that I marked out here and I want to delete it, I'll just tap on it and to go. This zone here, I'll just tap on it and to go. That is use of the eraser. Any zone I've already drawn before, anything I've drawn before, I'll just click on it and to go. Like now, this long position tool that is here, with this eraser, I'll just tap on it and it will go. Then we have this remove. Let's say you've already drawn out different zones. You've already done a lot of things here. You've already drawn zones. You've already drawn break of structure. Let's draw it out. And I said that you want to clear the entire trading view, like just for this pair. You just come here, click on remove, and to remove all the drawings, everything you've done here, to clear everything. Then if you want to save your chart image, let's say you want to do a setup. Let me change the pair this time. Let's use GBP USD. Let's say I want to draw a setup now. There's a break of structure here. I've already marked out the supply zone. So if I want to save this image, you can take screenshots, but then if you check the 7th button that is to your right below, there's this pencil. You have this indicator one, you have the one for alerts, you have the one for compare, you have all these ones are there. Then you have this one to share chart picture. This one, use it to save the chart. So like this, you already saved the image and show that you've already saved it as screenshot. Now let's say you made a mistake. Let's say as you're analyzing, you now mistakenly draw out on that zone here. Like by mistake, you draw out on that zone like you don't want to do, or you mistakenly deleted this zone. Let's say you deleted that demand zone below, and I'm not sure of where I marked it from. You just click on these 3 buttons, the bottom right, these 3 buttons here, you click on it where it's showing more. Then you just tap on undo, and to bring it back, which is this. Then let's talk about alert. Let's say you are waiting for this supply zone here. You are not sure of when price will go back to the zone, and you might not be online. It might not be active, so you just set alert. You hold on to your screen, you go to the edge of the zone, you now look at your right, you see a plus button. You now click on it to show add alert for GBP USD. Then just click on the add alert. Okay, this one is not showing like this. It's meant to show an alert, but for those that are not using the premium plan, it's only one alert you can set. It's just one you can set. But if you're using the premium plan, you can set multiple. Then you might be noticing that why is it that my own trading view is showing red and white, and yours is showing just green and white. I'll be green and red. It's because I changed it. If you want to change it, you can just click on this top left side. This top left that is showing AUD USD 15 and Rwanda. This 15 is showing the time frame, 15 minutes time frame. If I go to 4 hour, it will show 4 hours time frame. and this under is the broker I told you about. So you just click on these three buttons. Then you go to settings. That's where you see everything here. Now there's body that is showing white and red, and there's borders that are showing white and red, and there's wick showing white and red. For those that are just buying the course, you see that yours is green. Let me click on green. This is how yours is. It's showing green. But mine is white, so if I want to change it back, I'll just click on undo. And that's all. So that's mainly it about navigating TradingView. If you have more questions that you don't understand, you can always reach out to me. I'm the second admin on the Bank Secrets course. So any newbie that asks questions can always come and meet me. I'll reply you as fast as possible.